Hey guys, welcome back. So in the last video, we saw how to delete a node from a binary tree in an array implementation. Hope that concept was clear. Now in this video, let's see how to delete a binary tree in an array implementation. Now if you remember from a linked list implementation, if you wanted to delete a binary tree, all that we were doing is we were deleting the root node and rest of the nodes were taken care automatically by the garbage collection. But in the case of an array implementation, that is not the case because the entire tree is stored in one single array. So we cannot delete only one cell from an array. That option is not available. So what we do is we have to delete this entire array. So now how do we delete this entire array? Simple. We simply set this array as null. As soon as we set this array as null, this entire array gets deleted. Now since the array is deleted, the tree automatically also gets deleted. So this is how we delete a binary tree. Fine. Now let's see what is the time and space complexity of this algorithm. So setting the array as null is a constant time operation. So time complexity for this is order of 1. Space complexity is also order of 1 because we are not using any extra space for this operation. Fine. So this is all about how to delete a binary tree. Now before we wrap up this subtopic of binary tree array implementation, let's quickly see a matrix with all the 6 operations that we have learned for binary tree and what are their time and space complexity. So the first operation that we learned is creation of a tree, and it took order of 1 time and space was order of n because we had to create a complete array for that. Inserting a value in a tree took order of 1 time and space complexity was also order of 1. Deleting a value from tree took order of n time and space complexity was order of 1. Searching for a value took order of n time and space complexity was order of 1. Traversing a tree took order of n time and space complexity was order of 1. Now here I am assuming that we are doing a level order traversal. But in case if we are doing a in order, post order or pre-order traversal, the space complexity will become order of n because of use of internal stack. Now deleting an entire tree was taking order of 1 time and space complexity was again order of 1. Fine. So with that we come to end of this binary tree array implementation. Now in the next video let's do a quick comparison between array implementation and linked list implementation. So let's do that in the next video. Thanks for your time. See you in the next video.